In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the Temu application and then click on your profile icon in the bottom navigation. Make sure you're signed into your account if you're not already, and then you need to click in the icon in the top right hand side of the screen. From here, select Account Security, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Delete your Temu account. Here you'll find a little bit more information about deleting your account, but basically this is a permanent thing, so once you've deleted it, there'll be no going back. Click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account and press Continue. Select the reason why you want to delete your account. It doesn't really matter what you select, and press Continue. And in order to delete your account, you'll need to receive a verification code. So I'm going to select Use my Google account to verify identity, but you can also choose to receive an email verification. Once you've done this, a request will be sent and your account will be permanently deleted in 7 days. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.